Hey guys, welcome to the YT tutorial. And if you can see this message over here, it's about our homework episode 7. So this is a community guideline, so please don't mind about it because our homework episode 7 10 just came. So please. And welcome Kusan onto the stage, please.
Don't tell us statement video.
Yeah.
Not stage.
So today we're gonna be telling you how to go live on YouTube Studio.
Just give me 1 minute.
So if you want to go live, you at least have to have like 1,000 subscribers and some few enable verifications. So as Kids Insight has 1,060k from you guys, we thank you all and we want to say how to do live stream. So if you can see these
I only got 1 subscriber.
It's okay, you're good. So if you can see, these are our 2 live streams as of now that we made. So if you want to create your live stream, all you have to go is YouTube Studio. You can press on the create button, upload videos, and go live. Or you can go over here. So let's press here. So, oh no, live stream isn't available at the moment. So let me tell you another way. Let's see. So I use an app called Restream.io to live stream. I don't use this. So let's try it. Restream.io. So this is where most of my live streams are done, like Homework episode 10. Yeah, so this is Restream.io. So if you want to go and do live, you have to use this for so. You can start off with Studio directly going live. So you can set up for OBS, Zoom, etc. You can use a meeting and stream live with that. And you can stream a video file. So this is what I usually want to go. So streaming video files is so good as you can record a video earlier in this restream and you can make that go live. And how you record videos on Restream to go live, this is the record only button. That's what I used for the Homework episode 10. You have schedule event. You can schedule an event, what time it should stream so that exact time you stream. So today we are going to start with Studio. Okay. Interesting. So today we're not going to make it publicly. So you have to enter your name over here. You can see that you join enter studio. Now you can see here's it. You can add destinations where you want to go live. You can set screen. You can invite guests. You can add source. You can add settings. You can mute. You can unmute. You can do private chat and many more. So today it's all private. So it's a private chat, so this is how we go live. 2, 1, go. So this is how it will be going live on YouTube. Let me just check. Okay, if you want, you can edit this alright and this like that. So thank you for watching how to go live on YouTube with this video, and this source Restream is such a good source for you. You should definitely try it out if you have 100. If you have 1K. For now, bye.